In this video, we're going to give you a few ideas of what you can do for your kids for Easter without bombarding them with chocolate. First off, Paz makes a Nature's Palette dye kit, and it's made from vegetable juice and plant extract, so you don't have to really worry about the dye getting into the eggs. So it's food safe. There's stickers. You can use crayons to make cool designs on them. All kids love bubbles, but look on top, they're Peeps. I also found kid-size gloves. These are gardening gloves, size 4 to 7, and toddler. Can you believe they make toddler gloves? They're so cute. So they're each gonna get a set of gloves for Easter. If we take all of this stuff out, one of my favorite gifts, and we gave this to my son last year, is the gardening basket. This is a lightweight Pike's Original garden hod. It's so cute sideways like that. Put Easter grass in the bottom, but we love this. It's reusable. It's waterproof. You can leave it in. You can leave it outside. It's just such a useful tool, and you can use it for so many things. So next up, we usually do an egg hunt every year. So we will take, these are taped now, but we're gonna take all the plastic eggs out and fill them with goodies, and we do an egg hunt outside. They'll be able to deposit their eggs into the chicken and into the bunny, but they are so cute, and they're lightweight. They were only $5. It's like such a deal, I love it. So check this out, these are so easy to grow. Sunflowers. Kids love planting seeds. They grow super fast, so they really don't have to wait a long time to see them come up. But check out the colors on those sunflowers. You can't really go wrong with those. Zinnias, always a butterfly and a bee favorite, and poppies. When I went to the gardening show in Connecticut this past weekend, I found these. They are Crayola crayons. They're made out of biodegradable bamboo, and they're little pots. So in this one, it's the I Can Grow. This is salvia. It's a red flower. Hummingbirds love it. This one has sunflowers in it, marigolds, and daisies. They come with a coconut husk fiber inside to grow them. They come with the seeds, and they are just so cute to fill up the basket with. Again, a fun way to get your kids involved in gardening. Back here we have cute little baskets. These are very sort of a thinner wood basket. They are cheap. They were under $5 also, and they did put a little bit of a color wash on them, but they can use them as a planter. They can use them for toys afterward. They're really cute, if you can see inside. I also found Peeps sidewalk chalk. I just love those. And one other thing, Dr. Seuss has some awesome books. The first one, it says, "Oh, Say Can You Seed?" It's all about flowering plants. It goes through the process. It's got a little rhyming in there. On Beyond Bugs, it's all about insects. And My Oh My, a Butterfly. So I love these books, and it goes along with all the things that I put in their baskets. It's a great way to sort of tie everything together. I like to limit their chocolate in their baskets. Don't think that I didn't get something yummy to put in their basket. Who can resist the Reese's peanut butter eggs? So I hope you found some ideas in my video for, other than chocolate, what to stuff your children's Easter baskets with. There's such great ideas out there, and you know what? Use your creativity. All right, happy Easter everybody. I hope you enjoyed the video, and let me know what you think in the comments.